How to withdraw your cash money from Binance to your bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can withdraw your money from your Binance account to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first, just go ahead and launch the Binance app and sign into your account via the application, whether you're on Android or your iPhone. Once you sign in, you will see this kind of interface. Here you have a simple tap on the wallet icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the wallet icon, again you will see this kind of interface. Scroll through the currency list and select USD or any of the other currencies that you want to withdraw in. And once you tap on it, at the bottom left corner, just tap on the withdraw button again. So as you can see at the bottom, just tap on withdraw as well. And on the next screen, you'll see the withdrawal screen, and under recommended, the bank transfer swipe option will display. The withdrawal info section will confirm how long the transfer may actually take place. Once you do that, scroll down to enter the amount and text field. Tap on it to enter a specific amount or select available to withdraw the balance, and then tap in continue. Now enter the receiving account details. Your name will automatically populate the receiver name field, and just hit the continue button, and a withdrawal confirmation will pop up, will display, and if all the details are correct, just choose the confirm button. And that's all it takes to withdraw your money from your Binance account to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.